Hey guys, how's it going? I hope everyone's been doing well. Today I have a little bit of a treat. I'm going to do an unboxing for a microphone boom and a shock mount, and then when I set it up I'll give a little review for it. I have it right here. I have, let's get down. I have the Samson MBA38 and I have the, I can't pronounce that, Auphonix aluminum shock mount. Get that in the picture. Whew. So I just received those today in the mail. I have a couple of other things coming next week. I think I have two, what are they called? Cable bags. I bought two cable pouches or bags that I'm going to review next week. So I'm going to set up my camera first just with my Yeti microphone the way it has always been, just on the stand that it comes with on my table, which now has my work stuff. Then I'll set up the shock mount and the boom arm and see the difference. See, bang on the table a little bit, see if it removes some of that sound. So let me get everything set up and I'll be back in a minute. You know what? First things first, let's get to unboxing. So first I'll unbox the shock mount, the Auphonix aluminum shock mount that you see here. Since I'm using one hand and holding my phone, I kind of prepped the boxes for myself. So let's go and see what we got. Oh my lord. All right. We have the please read documentation. It says the Blue Yeti microphone on rare occasions has a manufacturing fault where the mount hole is the wrong size. Oh Lord. If you are one of the unfortunate few who has a microphone with this issue, then the shock mount will not securely hold the microphone. Well, let's hope not. Then we have this card. What do you get? Here's what are included. A guide to recording great vocals, engaging on YouTube, home recording course, discounts, free podcasting course, lots more coming. I guess you just got to go to that website. And here is the shock mount. Really nice. I thought it was plastic on the website, but it is in fact aluminum. Feels really nice. Put that to the side. Nothing else in that box. We'll get to the Samson MBA38 boom arm. Okay. Let's see what we've got here. Talk about shaky cam. Ugh. This was a bad idea. Let me see. Can I just put this here? Alright, let's try to do it this way. Okay. This looks pretty good. Whoa. Alright. Got some tape I gotta get off. I should have brought my knife. Oh my lord. Okay. Okay, we got some more. Let's put this back on the floor. All right. The clamp obviously goes under the table. I guess this goes, I don't know, I haven't read the instructions, but I'm guessing that goes on the bottom. I don't know what that is yet. and the arm. Looks good. Whew, okay, pair that with the shock mount, and now I will put this together and then take a picture and see what this looks like. Okay, excuse the mess. This is all my work stuff. As you see, I have it set up now. Works nicely. Clamps on right to the side. Just like that. And it looks like the other piece, which is here, I think this is just if you want to screw it permanently into your desk. So you would just screw it in and then it would never move if you didn't want to use the clasp. So there it is. So now I'll set up my microphone in both ways and we'll test out the sound quality. Cool. All right, I'm coming back. All right, so I'm back. Now I have my setup the way I always have it. I have my mic on the mic stand that it comes with. The sound is always pretty good. The sound quality is never terrible or anything. But some of the things you might hear is like every time I hit the desk, or if I just bang my fingers on the desk, or mouse click maybe, you might hear that. If I move anything, usually it's just banging, or if I move the microphone, you might hear something. But a lot of that stuff I could take out in post, I think. But now I'm going to move the microphone here. I'll probably bring it down a little bit so it is, what's this, horizontal? Yeah, I'll have it running horizontal and see if there's any difference. Hopefully there is, but we'll find out. So I'm going to clip it here, put the mic on to the shock mount, and then we'll see what happens. All right. Okay, I'm back. And this is the final setup right here. Yeah, looks pretty good. I was able to set it up in about less than 5 minutes. There's no screwing that takes place. What else can I test? Does this banging on the desk sound any different than before? Or when I like lean on the desk? Or if I hit my mouse? Or if I move anything on the desk? On my computer? If I'm typing? I don't know. I'll see when I review all the video, but I do actually like this better than having the microphone on the desk, because it obviously, now I can put my computer here if I need to use my laptop. But yeah, it was pretty simple. Let me see how much it cost. Let me just go into my Amazon real fast so I could give you guys the cost of all of this. And obviously, they're not affiliates with me. It's just something that I purchased. So let us look. Okay. The Samson Boom Arm. This is the Samson MBA38 38 inch. So I'll link it below, and I'll put a picture of it also right here. I'll take a screenshot from Amazon. This one, the 38 inch, was $59.50. It looks like it's also available in 18 inch for $41, 28 inches for $50, 38 for what I paid, $59.50, and then 48 inches for $90. That's the boom arm. And then the shock mount is, where's the brand? This is the, I can't pronounce it, sorry. The Auphonix or Auphonix Pro Black Shock Mount. It says specifically for Blue Yeti, advanced vibration blocking. This was $30, $29.97. I bought the black color, but it also comes in silver. They're both $29.97. The silver one actually isn't in stock until February, it looks like. But this one was, yeah. And they were both Amazon Prime. I ordered these, today's Wednesday. I ordered these Monday night, and they came today. So I love that. What else can I say? I don't know. I think that's pretty much about it. I unboxed it, put it together in less than 5 minutes. There are no screws. It's just those little tightening, if you could see it, it's on the other side. Maybe I'll take a picture of this. The little tightening screw for here and just to clamp it on there. It's really secure. It moves really easily. It moves up very quickly, but it's really tight coming down, which is good because you want to be able to move it up quickly. You don't want it to sag while you're recording. So that's good. And yeah, I mean, again, I apologize for my messy setup today. I don't know if this is how it's going to be set going forward. I don't want it to block too much of my face, but I think you guys could pretty much see me. So I think it's fine. I don't have a pop filter because I use the little, me and my friend Bin call it the mic condom. That works pretty well. I think that's all I could think of regarding these two devices, and I'm very happy. The build quality is great. They're both made out of metal. Nothing's plastic. Nothing feels cheap. Yeah, it's well made. I would highly suggest it, and I think I would assume these are budget items. I'm sure you could get more expensive, fancier boom arms, probably for hundreds, $200. But I am not a professional, and I think this was a good price point to fit in my budget, and it works perfectly. I think it'll clamp on any desk that you have. My desk has a little, the legs are towards the side, and I thought I wasn't going to be able to get everything in there, but it fits perfectly. So I will post pictures of my setup right now, hopefully above or taking out my face, of the shock mount. I'll take a picture here, the tightening clamps right here, and the table clamp, desk clamp, that's right over here. And then I'll let you get a better look at all that. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Hopefully I'll be having some more content coming soon. I think I'm going to do a Canon M50 review. I think I'm also going to do a quick beginner's, the exposure triangle for dummies, I call it. Because I'm a dummy, so I'm going to teach everybody like you are on my level, which isn't very experienced. But I think I'll be able to get my point across pretty clearly, so you guys can take your camera out and kind of understand what each of those are. And then Bindong and I, on our channel, we're going to go into it more in depth. So when I record my video, I will link you to our other video. Mine is only going to be a quick, I'm going to try to keep it under 10 minutes, just so you can learn, about the exposure triangle, what each things do. So you could quickly just take your camera out and mess around and play with it. Because once you know what it does, you can kind of adjust it on your own and figure it out. But like I said, my video will just be so you guys can get your cameras out, and then me and Ben will do a more in-depth video. So that's all I have for this video. Again, please like and subscribe, comment. Let me know how I did. I'm taking all suggestions. I'm still new to this, so if I didn't get into like the meat and potatoes quickly enough, just let me know. I want to make these videos as clear and concise as possible without confusing anyone. And like I said, just using small words as possible, not getting too technical, just trying to teach a little beginner, I guess, tech, camera, video game stuff. So again, I'm Steve. If you want to find me on Twitter, my handle is Strange177A. That's STRANGE, the numbers 177, and then the letter A. And I'll try to link my videos there as well. So I hope you guys have a good Wednesday. Happy hump day, and I'll talk to you on my next video. Peace.